Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Release the two latches. Pull the filter holding rack towards you, then lift it up to take it out of the airbox.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Take off the filter from the plastic rack. Take the new filter. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Replace it by inserting the new one into the rack. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Insert the whole thing into the compartment, paying careful attention to properly put the spurs into their housing. Then, lock it in place with the two latches. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.